Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 20th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down on Friday, had a long tail on it, did break previous support, but came back up to close within this range that it's had for the past 3 days. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.35, possibly as low as 76.22. Look for some resistance around 77.15 and look for some support around 76.55 or 50. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed higher during Friday's session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 136.96, possibly as low as 133.44. Look for some resistance around 136.15 and look for some support around 134.20. Now the pound US dollar pair, it surged to the upside, had a very strong move up before pulling back down to close up, but still much lower from open to close than its high to low range. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 159.57, possibly as low as 156.19. Look for some resistance around 158.88 and look for some support around 156.88. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down. It also had a long tail. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.9324, possibly as low as 0.9014. Look for some resistance around 0.9235 and look for some support around 0.9075. Alright, now as far as news announcements go, no significant news announcements being released during tomorrow's session. Now, the Euro USD and the Pound USD and the US Swiss all had swing trades over the past 3 sessions have been created. You can see here we have a higher high than the bar before it and after it, and then we have a lower low than the bar before it and after it. So we have the swing trade set up. We are looking for it to break to the upside. If it does, you can see that that's right in line with previous areas of support here, resistance here. Look for it to head up to around this area. Let me put this on potentially all the way up to here. That would be a pretty strong move. We have another couple of areas though I'd keep an eye on the way on this move up. A very quick exit would be about 73 pips to the upside. We'd have to have a pretty strong day to get to this top one at 218. That would mean that this pair has moved over 300 pips. Could happen, unlikely. Look to grab the 75 pips from about the 136.42 mark up to the 137.20 mark. Now, let's take a look at the Pound US dollar pair. That's assuming these pairs do reverse. They've been heading to the downside to some degree, so definitely keep an eye on that. In this case, we're looking to enter the market around the 158.75 mark and look for about 44 pips up to 59.19. And last but not least, we have the US Swiss. This pair has been moving to the upside. If we got a break, this one you could play another way. Now that we have a swing trade opportunity there, you could look for the trend line to be broken and look to take out the middle from about the 0.9128 mark down about 68 pips. And this would be down to the 0.9060 level. Well, hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.